Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we are doing a gaming review on the new Moto G Power. This is on Boost Mobile's network, so let's go ahead and check it out. So we'll be playing some games here, guys. So first one we'll be playing will be let's do some Asphalt 9 first. See how well that does. So I should have already played some of it. Let me know if the audio is a little too loud. The mic is pretty close to me. If not, I will try to reduce in post. So let's see how well this game does. So right off the bat, it looks pretty good. I do like that it's a pretty big screen. So you can definitely tell that you can see everything. It doesn't look the best refinement or anything like that, so it does look a little bit pixelated. Not really that bad, but it's not like super HD. It's like, if it was like 720 compared to 1080, but still looks really good. So let that load. Alright, so here we go, guys. Alright, like I said, we know how to drift already, so let's go ahead and do that. Whoa, a little bit of lag there, I don't know what happened. But it was probably about a drop frame or so. Whoa. It's probably from the crashes. It's a lot of crashes this time. Okay, so just a bunch of NOS. We're going through pretty quick. I think we're like number 1 so far. Wow. Pretty good, I'd say. That was a really nice race. So overall, like I said, it's pretty good. Won that with no problem. It was a really fast race. Let's do maybe one more just to see how well we do. But as you saw, it did kind of... I don't know if it was just like some drop frames or maybe just so much accent. I don't know, but let's do one more. Like I said, it basically dropped frames or kind of lagged up only when they were crashing. But we'll see if that was just like a fluke or something else. So let's do one more race on this one. Alright, let's go. Hopefully there's not any kind of lag or anything like that, It's the same thing. I don't know why it keeps telling us how to do it. Oh, showing you like new skills. Whoa. Cool. All right, so actually, so far so good, even with you doing these crazy like moves. But definitely looks good, guys. Wow. Definitely was a good race. Really didn't have that much lag on that one, so that was good. Let's go on to our next and final game. Like I said, I don't want to make these videos that long. It's going to be Call of Duty. So Call of Duty is, of course, a real fun game. I like to play it a lot. So we'll see how it goes. I should have skipped already the tutorial. So let's see how well it goes. Alright, there we go. Should be a little bit closer for you guys. A little bit more HD, so this game does look pretty good. And like I said, a lot of people do like to play this game. So let's go ahead and see if this can handle it. Doesn't matter, just use a dummy account. And it should be able to play, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, multiplayer, start. Alright, let's start. Hopefully there's no lag or anything. About to find out. So far so good. Graphics look nice. We're loading pretty good as well. So going up against other people. All right. Oh, a little bit of lag there, but not too bad. Okay, pretty good. We're doing fine. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. Boom, there we go. Got 2 kills. So as you can see, it's very playable. Doesn't lag at all. Or if any. Oh, great. Just load up. There's a guy in here somewhere. So pretty good. Like I said, very playable. It's very fast, responsive. Not really seeing any drop frames at all, really. Oh, got me. Had to reload. So it's a little hard playing with and looking through the screen. So just bear with me, but we should be winning this game, guys. There we go. Reload that. Great. Well, I don't know what happened there. I don't know if the guy was just loading. Oh, I think we won. So pretty good, guys. Like I said, it's definitely playable, and it was fun. The phone's not getting warm at all whatsoever. Really nice phone. As you can see, it's very playable. And of course, there's like, it does have like a game mode here on the side where you can pause notification calls, all this different kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool. So as you see, I don't know, I think that's me. Yep. So like I said, it's just a dummy account. Doesn't really matter. Very fun game. But overall, it's good. Like I said, for the price, I think I got this phone for about $90, maybe $100 with taxes and shipping and everything. Only took about 2 days. So overall, I think it's definitely worth it. For a lot of people that want to play games, you know, if you want to get this for your kids, it's definitely doable, and I think it's fun for everybody. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think.